Hello and welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home for another session for our Key Stage 1 spellers out there. So I'm going to start today with, this is a word in itself. It's also a rule that you do need to learn as you are reading, because it is when, basically to do with our sight words, and it is when a sound, a letter that we think we know the sound, how it sounds, actually takes on a different sound when it's got other letters around it. So I haven't put any sound buttons on today because you can't use your phonics for this. It's about learning learning this rule basically, and learning that sometimes this letter sounds like this. So this is the word that I am going to share with you, and this says ace, because this letter C, we're used to it being a k sound, but actually when it's got an E after it or an I, it makes a s sound. It's called the soft C. Okay, so it makes a s sound. So you'll quite often have words that end like this, ace. And if you learn that this is how you write ace, you'll be able to write lots and lots of other words by using that and your rhyming to help you. So I'm going to share another word with you that ends with ace. And you can remember ace is A-C-E, ace. And then you're going to have a go at thinking of some other ones. So I have got the word race, race. Okay, so that is how we write the word race. And this is going to help you with your reading, because you're not going to be going k and trying to say ache, because that would be with a K. Okay, the letter K makes the k sound in the split vowel digraph things. So there is race. And I want you now to pause the video and try and think of some other words that have the ace ending, making sure you spell it with the letter C for the S sound, okay, for the soft C. So pause the video, off you go. Okay, so I have thought of some, hopefully ones that you've thought of too. I've tried to pick words that you would probably think of yourself. So can you try and read that one? Ace, face. Okay, so we can still use our phonics for that initial sound, and then we're learning that this says ace. So face, talk about somebody's face if they had a happy face or a sad face. We've got this one, and we've done sp words before as well. So sp, ace, space. You can shoot off into space. We've got this word, ace, trace. And you'll remember very first video we did tr words, and they sound a bit like tr, but they're written as tr, as tr. So we've got trace, trace. And this is the last word that I've done for you, place, place. So lots of our consonant clusters are coming up at the start, ones that we've done before, but the bit that I really want you to learn today is this ace bit, okay, place. So hopefully you have thought of quite a few of those words, and that's something you're going to be able to remember as well. I've done a sentence because at the end of our session we always write a sentence, and I want you to see if you can read my sentence. So and a word like this where you've got quite a long word, you can actually break it up. So if I cross out that first bit, you can read that first bit there as rock, rock, and then put that bit on ets, rockets. The rockets had a race into space. Okay, so for longer words, a good strategy is to break that word up and read it in parts, okay, in syllables. The rockets had a race into space. That's my sentence. It's your turn now to pick one or two of your words, have a go at writing a sentence. Remember, really focusing on that spelling today with those ace words, and hopefully that's something that you can remember when you're doing your writing for other work that you're doing as well when you're at home. So good luck with that, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.